Hi, Jessica.
Hi everyone.
Are you ready for today's conversation?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, then let's get started. Listen to the conversation first.
How does that sound? Yoon, welcome back after a long business trip.
Thanks. It's good to be back. I made the most of my business trip this time.
I hope your trip was a fruitful one. Let's have dinner sometime this week.
Maybe tomorrow? How does that sound?
Sure, I'd love to hear your stories.
Listen again.
Okay, now let's listen to the sentence one by one and we repeat after it. Okay?
Okay.
Yoon, welcome back after a long business trip.
Yoon, welcome back at long business trip.
One more time.
Yoon, welcome back at long business trip.
Good job. Very good. But one more time. Yoon,
Yoon, welcome back
after.
a long business trip.
Very good.
Thanks. It's good to be back.
Thanks, it's good to be back.
One more time.
Thanks, it's good to be back.
Thanks. It's good to be back.
Thanks, it's good to be back.
I made the most of my business trip this
I made the most of my business trip.
Listen to it one more time.
I made the most of my business trip this time.
I made this more than business trip at this time.
I made the most
I made the most
of my business trip
of my business trip
this time.
this time.
I made the most of my business trip this time.
I made the most of my business trip this time.
Very good.
I hope your trip was a fruitful one.
I hope your trip was fruitful one.
I hope
I hope your trip was fruitful one.
very good. Perfect. I hope your trip was a fruitful one.
I hope your trip was a fruitful one.
Very good.
Let's have dinner sometime this week.
What of dinner sometime this week?
Listen to it one more time.
I hope your trip was a fruitful one. Let's have dinner sometime this week.
Let's have dinner this week.
Very good. Let's have a dinner
Let's have a dinner
sometime this week.
sometime this week.
Let's have a dinner sometime this week.
Let's have a dinner sometime this week.
Maybe tomorrow? How
Maybe.
does that sound?
Maybe tomorrow. How do that sound?
One more time.
Maybe tomorrow. How do that sound?
Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow.
It's good, but how does that sound?
How does that sound?
Maybe tomorrow. How does that sound?
Maybe tomorrow. How does that sound?
Sure, I'd love to hear your stories.
Sure.
Sure, I love to hear your story.
Very good. Sure.
Sure,
I'd love to
I'd love to
hear your stories.
hear your stories.
Very good. Let's repeat it one more time.
Listen again.
Yoon, welcome back after a long business trip.
You welcome back at long business trip.
One more time.
You welcome back at long business trip.
Very good, but you missed one. Welcome back after
Welcome back after
a long business
a
trip.
long business trip.
One more time.
You welcome back after a long business trip.
Yoon, welcome back after a long business trip.
You welcome back after a long business trip.
Perfect.
Thanks. It's good to be back. I made the
Thanks, it's good to be back.
Thanks. It's good to be back.
Thanks, it's good to be back.
After a long business trip.
Thanks. It's good to be back. I made the most of my business trip this time.
I made the most of this time in this business trip.
One more time. I made the most of my
my business
business trip.
this time.
I made the most of
I made the most of.
I made the most of
I made the most of
my business trip this time.
my business trip this time.
I made the most of my business trip this time.
I made the most of my business trip this time.
I hope your trip was a fruitful one.
I hope your trip was fruitful one.
I hope your trip was a fruitful one.
I hope your trip was fruitful one.
Very good.
Let's have dinner sometime this
Let's have dinner sometime.
fruitful one. Let's have dinner sometime this week.
Let's have dinner sometime this week.
Very good. Let's have dinner sometime this week.
Let's have dinner sometime this week.
Good job.
Maybe tomorrow? How
Maybe.
does that sound?
Maybe tomorrow. How's that sound?
One more time.
Maybe tomorrow. How's that sound?
How does that sound?
How does that sound?
That's the title of today's conversation. How does that sound?
How does that sound?
Very good.
Sure, I'd love to hear your stories.
Sure, I'd love to hear your stories.
Perfect, Jessica. You did an excellent job. Let's finish today's conversation. Bye bye everyone.
Bye bye everyone.
See you next time.
See you